Good morning students. Welcome to your history class. Today we are going to discuss about the American Revolution. Okay, the American Revolution time period was 1775 to 1783. In this video we will discuss life in the colonies in America and causes of the American Revolution. Okay, so first see here, the American Revolution was an ideological and political revolution which occurred in colonial North America between 1765 and 1783. Okay. The American patriots in the 13 colonies defeated in the British in the American Revolutionary War with the assistance of France, winning independence from Great Britain and establishing the United States of America. The discovery of America led England, France, Spain and Holland to establish their colonies. Thus, from the 16th century onwards, people from different European countries began to settle in America. By the end of the 18th century, America and Europe underwent changes in the fields of technology, social structure, politics and economy. These changes were brought about by revolutions. Two such revolutions, the American Revolution and the French Revolution. American and French. These two revolutions are very important because they inspired people of the other countries of the world to overthrow their colonial rulers and follow the path of democracy. Around this time, 1752. In year 1752, there are Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar was adopted in England in year 1752. The Gregorian calendar is the most widely used civil calendar and was introduced in 1582. In 1781, the seventh planet was spotted for the first time by William Herschel. Seventh planet. Seventh planet. Life in the colonies in America. People lived in cities, villages and farms. Most colonists worked as farmers, others made a living as carpenters, blacksmiths, while some learned special skills like shoemaking or crafting silver. Wealthy merchants sold goods shipped in from Britain and the West Indies. When not helping on the farm or in the family business, children would attend school. Often classrooms contained children of different ages. One room schoolhouses were quite common. Books and paper were in short supply, so the children had to memorize poems, stories, and verses. In their free time, children enjoyed playing a variety of games. One popular game was rolling the hoop. Communication in colonial times was much slower than it is today. Newspapers, letters, and stories arrived from Britain via ships, which took about a month to reach the colonies. Once the newspaper reached America, it spread from town to town by the word of mouth. Travel was also slow in colonial times. Transportation was most easily done by river. Narrow, unpaved path connected towns and villages. Most people traveled by horse, but the wealthy rode in horse-drawn carriage. It took 3 days to get from Philadelphia to New York City. Today, it would take about 2 hours. Okay, so this is the life in the colonies in America. Okay, thank you class.